Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check unknown number details on iPhone. So first of all, search online. Use a search engine to look up the number. Just enter the number in quotation marks to get specific results. Use apps like Truecaller or Hia. Download them from App Store and they can help identify your unknown numbers. Truecaller, right here, Truecaller, or Haya. Haya, you can just type it or spell it like this, right? And then you can download it. Go to the phone app in recent, find any additional information available for the unknown number. If the number is bothersome, you can block it by going to the phone app, recent, and then info by going right here to the settings, and then phone. Okay, in the phone, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, and here you're gonna be able to see silence unknown callers, right, or block the callers. And these methods can help you identify or manage unknown numbers on your iPhone. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and